Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mommy Momo here, and yes, I looked like an unbaked cookie on purpose. So yeah, let's get into it. I'm basically going to show you 5 different setting powders on my face at one time, just to show you guys how amazing they look. So to bake my right side of my under eye, which will be your left side, I am going to go in with my favorite of all time, the Bakerie flour powder. I have mine in the shade Oat Translucent Powder. This is one of my favorite setting powders simply because it is, I think, a matte powder, so it does settle. It does help set that under eye concealer. Now, even though it is kind of matte, it does not make my skin feel like super dry or like anything like that. It is amazing. Definitely worth every penny. So I'm just going to go ahead and bake my under eye on the right side, your left side again. One thing that certain powders do is they make my my nose area look super gross and like cakey after a while. This powder is excellent for keeping that from happening. When I tell you, I have had many days where my nose looked like a foundation fest right here. Oh my gosh, I've had some really bad days until I found these powders. These powders are amazing to me in summertime because they keep my makeup and my concealer from looking like super, like, you know, cakey. Nobody wants cake face in the summer. That is not cute, okay? As for the other eye, I'm going to flip my sponge around so that the products don't get like mixed up. I'm going to go in with another one of my favorite powders of all time. I use this powder so much, it's like almost ridiculous. I need to be sponsored at this point. The ABH setting powder, and I have mine in the shade Vanilla. Yo, this powder looks so good in pictures. It's not drying, and it also helps my concealer set in, and it also helps my makeup look fabulous throughout the day. Oh, just amazing. I know it is pretty pricey, but I'm telling you, it is definitely worth every bit of your penny. And I love the jumbo packaging that the ABH powder comes in because I just feel like so super bad and bougie with it. So to set my forehead as well as my nose, I'm going to go in with the affordable but yet amazing Wet n Wild Photo Focus setting powder. I have mine in the shade Translucent. I'm just going to wipe my sponge off so that I have a fresh sponge to do this with. This is what it looks like. Oh, that smells good. Because I do the most, that's why. So I'm just going to go ahead and set my forehead and my nose area with this. Now, this powder is so affordable, you guys, and it works wonders. I've used this powder in my for my full face of Wet n Wild video, and I was so shocked in that video. Like, I could not believe how amazing this powder was. So for the right side of my face, which is going to be your left side, I'm going to set my face with the amazing Airspun Loose Setting Powder. And I have mine in the shade Naturally Neutral. This powder is so amazing, you guys. I actually bought mine on Amazon, but I heard you can buy these at like Walmart. I love the way this one smells. It's like a yummy, like, baby powder kind of smell. I'm just gonna go ahead and carve out that contour. Again, this one looks amazing in pictures as well. So then, last but not least, for my left side, your right side, I'm gonna go in with the Halo Glow Setting Powder by e.l.f. Very affordable, looks amazing in pictures, and it feels good in the summertime. Like, it doesn't feel all matte and tight. Like, you can wear this powder all day comfortably. So let's go ahead and carve out that that other side. I don't know if you guys can really tell on camera because my camera is trash. Like, there is no glitter or anything in here. The glow is just literally in the formula. Once again, I have the Beauty Bakerie on my right side, your left, the ABH on my left side, your right. I set my lower right side, your left side, with the Airspun Loose Setting Powder. And then I set my lower left side, your right side, with the Halo Glow Setting Powder by e.l.f. And then to do my forehead and nose area, I just used the Wet n Wild Photo Focus setting powder. These powders are just amazing. I hope that the end results of my makeup just shows you guys how amazing these powders are, because they feel good in the summer, winter, spring, fall, rain. They look great in pictures. They look good for going out, for dancing, for dinner nights, for date nights. Like, these are just amazing, and you can even mix and match them and still get a perfect looking full face of makeup. So I'm going to go ahead and dust these off, and I'm going to go ahead and finish my makeup up, and I will be back. Alright guys, that concludes our makeup look. I will leave all of the details to this look in the description box, of course. So here is basically a close-up of how my face is looking with those powders. Oh my gosh, everything feels so smoothing. Everything looks really, really good. I absolutely love these powders, you guys. Like, phenomenal. Okay, I will try to take a flash picture just to show you guys how great it looks. These are just, they're great powders. I hope you guys really enjoyed this very quick, very simple video showing you my favorite setting powders. Like I said, everything will be linked below if you want to know the full face put together. I look like a whole pink Barbie, like, period. So yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button so that you can be subscribed to the beauty channel that just drops the gems for you. You know what I'm saying? Like, gems, affordable, not affordable, if you high end, if you bossy, if you're bossy while being affordable. Subscribe to this channel, okay? And make sure you hit that bell button so that you're notified every time that I post a new video. Make sure you hit the like button and also comment some of your favorite setting powders so that maybe you could put me onto something too. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!